Everyone, welcome back to Craven Outdoors. Today I got my buddy Thomas with me here. We're on the Muscatatuck River north of Salem, Indiana, between Jackson and Washington County right now. We're at the low water bridge. So we're gonna go out here and see if we can't catch a bass or a catfish. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, you're watching Craven Outdoors. Holy crap. Dang, that's a nice one, Thomas.
Yeah, that's nice right there.
Wow. Good job. What'd you get him on?
Liver.
Liver? Did you... Was he on there or did he hit it again?
I think he hit it again. It felt like he was off.
Wow. It's a nice one there. Nice channel cat. Yeah. Cool. Good job, bud.
There's one.
Yeah, Thomas caught him on a liver. Well, at least we know there's life out there.
Still wasn't as big as Wilson's, though.
Good job. You seriously got one?
Oh, yeah. Or a turtle or something there.
You need the net?
Oh, yeah. Where did he come on?
There's something on there. Let me get the net.
That's another cat.
Dang, Thomas is on fire today, man. Wow.
That's nice.
What'd you get him on?
Shrimp.
Did you really?
Look how it did that. They wrapped that hook through his mouth and wrapped it around the line.
Yeah.
All right, well, buddy, hold still. We'll get some line down.
This is the Thomas Outdoor Show. Thomas is at a hole up there. I ain't got anything back here on the back. That must be a little honey hole up in there by that tree. How did you do that?
They went one through. That'll be nice.
Yeah, hold him up here and I'll that way I can get the camera. Yeah, that's a nice one there. He's talking to you. Good job, buddy. Oh, I might need the net. This is a good one. He might not be a big. He's in the current. Oh, that's a nice catfish there. Yeah, probably. I don't think I have a heavy line on like you do. Yeah. Is that a blue?
Yes, that is a blue.
That's a blue catfish. I was gonna say that.
That's a nice one there. Love it, dude.
Yeah.
All right, look at that.
Yeah, man.
That's nice.
Oh, don't start that.
Yeah. See, there's only channels in here. Remember?
Yeah, that's what the thing said. If you look up the thing, it says catfish is the only thing in here. And Thomas and I were like, "There's no way." Oh, you about to snap my hand off.
Good bagger?
Yeah, man, that thing's strong.
What'd you get him on?
Liver. You got a pair of pliers? Ouch. Oh man, that thing's about ready to eat my arm. Don't you do that. He about broke my hand. Gosh, man, he cut my thumb. Don't.
Just keep it back there.
Oh my goodness, this thing is, what, he wasn't coming off. Oh, stop.
Yep.
Nice blue cat there. Whew. Heck yeah, that was fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video out here on the Muscatatuck River today. Had a good time with Thomas today. He caught a couple channel cats. I caught a blue. Caught a turtle. I didn't get it on video. Had a few other bites, but it was a little slow out there today. The river's running a little fast today. It's a little murky. They've had some rain upstream from here. But I think this is a pretty good spot if you want to check out the low water bridge area. Yep. It's a good place to access the Muscatatuck River. It's just east of Millport, where Highway 135 crosses. It's off Mount Eden Road. It's right here at the Jackson-Washington County line. It's the river splits the two counties. But it's a pretty nice ramp. The river averages about 10 to 15 foot deep, mainly 9 to 10 foot's average depth, but there's some holes up in there. It's about 15 foot. But I think it's a pretty good spot. You know, I'm gonna come back and fish it again when the water goes down a little bit and the current quits running. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I had a good time out here. It was a nice, relaxing day. So please like and subscribe to the video, and we call you blessed in Jesus' name. See you on the next video.